Hi everyone. Today we're going to take a quick look at the part of STOworx where we do the detailed activity planning for a work package. Right now you'll see that we're logged into the STO management dashboard. Over here we're tracking the action items by the planning team. We're tracking planning performance for a 4-week leading and lagging indicator. And down here we have the upcoming work packs. I'm just going to do a quick search for a work package that we've created with a lot of zeros. And out of the 900 approved work orders that are in the work package development phase, we find that we have this work order here that we've created as a 00 work order for a PSV overhaul. It is preventive maintenance. Activity type is related to an SAP code in Unit 3600. The work center, we have the ability to add work class. Package status is waiting to be prepared. And out of the planning steps, out of 14 planning steps, we have 1 step completed. And the due date can be set here for the deliverables. I'm just going to go into the actual work package, do a quick review of the contents for this package. Again, you'll see here that the planner has been assigned after the work list was approved. It is waiting to be prepared in an SAP status. There is 1 out of 14 planning steps completed. None of the hours have actually been used for working on this package at this time, and 3 of the contents and deliverables have been completed. And again, we have the photograph of this particular PSV, the primary, and additional photos that we can drag and drop into the work package. Here we have the job ID, work package ID, preventive maintenance, the work order, work center, estimated cost, the work description, the plant and unit, the equipment number. We have provision for equipment type, the equipment description, SAP field codes, and down here you'll see that the work order is approved and there is a work package due date assigned. So when we go down to look at the actual work steps in order to develop this package, we want to be able to go through and identify the progress for each package, as well as creating the contents and the key deliverables for each package. This will begin to accumulate here on our dashboard the status of this work package. And later on, we'll look at how we can track and review the progress of all packages by planner or by unit or by equipment type. So when I talk about the first thing that the planner wants to do is to create the actual work activities. And ideally, we want to be able to bring these from a library and create a template for this particular piece of equipment by manufacturer or model number or equipment type. Here you can see that these work activities in order of predecessor and successor are identified here, identified which phase that these can be completed in, the grid location, the risk and permit, primary resource, the duration and activity type, and the estimated cost. I'm just going to go into one of these details and show you when we create this in STOworx. We're either creating it here in STOworx or bringing it in from an SAP or Maximo. We're able to create the activity and establish which phase the activity should be in, the risk, the priority, and the permit type. Then we can assign the different resources. And when we click on resources, we can sort to see the different resources, or we can go and create new resources. We can assign whether they're the primary resource, the duration and crew in order to establish man hour, and then the estimated cost. And we can do the same with equipment and materials. So once we've made any edits or changes, we save this. And again, we're able to look at all of the activities here that can now be scheduled and transferred through the data pipeline to Primavera or Microsoft Office or Microsoft Project in order to be scheduled. We can also assign action items for anything outstanding on this work package. Put any work package comments in here for lessons learned or for future. If the client desires, we can create where this work is located in the facility and any work package documents that have been downloaded or uploaded or dragged and dropped into the program. Over here we have the printables where we'll cover create the cover sheet. We also have the option of work package assembly, work package field tags, field planning form, creating the plan job package contents, management of change, or exporting for Primavera. And at the same time, we might want to assign some contributors like vendors or contractors that we would need to supply information or documents, materials for this particular work package, and we could assign them as a contributor. So there you have it, mostly, as I said, around work activities. The future is to have work activity templates that are set up for each type of equipment, and to be able to create our work packages with the deliverables in preparation for contracting and procurement and for future execution, and then flawless startup and completions and PSSR. Next time we'll discuss the action items related to deliverables on work package contents. That's all for now. Bye-bye.